For making the super easy banana cake, we need bananas, and there's this and that. I will put a detail in the description below. So first we're gonna mix the batter, and we added eggs, sugars, flour, baking powder, and milk, butter, or any veggie oil would do. The order doesn't really matter actually, as long as you can make sure that you mix it well. A little bit vanilla extract if you like. Slice the bananas into half-inch slice. I find if you added banana slice first, then they are very easy to get burned. So I prefer to add a thin layer of batter first to the pan, and I add the banana slice on top of it, and then I pour the rest of the batter. This is not the banana cake, and actually it's more like banana pancake, I would say. Here is your banana pancake. Cut a slice and add some garnish or ice cream. Have some fun with it. If you have a torch, you can add some sugar and torch it and make a layer of sugar grapes. You hear this? Serve with a cup of coffee and enjoy your snack time. I'll see you next time.